Vitamin A is made up of compounds like retinol, an alcohol, and retinol, an aldehyde. Compounds of vitamin A like retinol and retinol are called retinoids. Vitamin A is also made up of carotenoids like beta-carotene. Carotenoids are red, orange, and yellow pigments that are synthesized by plants. There are hundreds of different carotenoids, but only about 10% form vitamin A. The formula for vitamin A is carbon 20, hydrogen 30, and oxygen 1. Here's a picture of the molecular structure. Vitamin A plays an important role in the function of the immune system. The skin and cells that line the digestive tract, urinary tract, and airways protect the body as a first line of defense against infections. The retinol and metabolic substances found in vitamin A maintain the function of these cells. Vitamin A and retinoic acid are also essential to the development of white blood cells, which play a major role in the immune system. The major regulatory cell of the immune system, T lymphocytes, are also fueled by vitamin A compounds. Vitamin A not only supports the immune system of the human body, but also improves vision. In this diagram, retinol found in vitamin A is esterified to form retinol esters, which are then broken apart to form 11-cis-retinol, then oxidized to form 11-cis-retinol. Then, 11-cis-retinol moves into the rod cell and bonds to a protein called offspin to create a visual pigment named rhodopsin. Rhodopsin is essential in night vision because of its ability to detect very small amounts of light. The rhodopsin is then catalyzed into all-trans-retinol and released as a signal to the optic nerve. This signal is conveyed to the brain through the optic nerve, where it is comprehended as vision. Consuming vitamin A puts more rhodopsin in the vision cycle, improving your night vision. Without your daily recommended dose of vitamin A, you could suffer from a vitamin A deficiency. Vitamin A deficiency among children in developing nations is the leading preventable cause of blindness. The earliest evidence of vitamin A deficiency is night blindness. Severe or prolonged vitamin A deficiency causes a condition of dry eye, which is characterized by changes in the cells of the cornea that ultimately results in corneal ulcers, scarring, and blindness. Children who are mildly deficient have a higher tendency of respiratory disease and diarrhea, as well as a higher rate of mortality from infectious diseases compared to children who consume sufficient vitamin A. Even though deficiencies are common, consuming too much vitamin A has its own negative side effects. The recommended daily allowance for vitamin A in adults ranges from 700 to 900 micrograms a day. In contrast to preformed vitamin A, the carotenoids of vitamin A are not toxic. The body can form vitamin A from carotenoids in the body like beta-carotene. This natural vitamin A is extremely unlikely to damage your body. However, the preformed vitamin A found in supplements can have negative effects when taken in large doses. Many supplements include 3 times the recommended daily allowance of vitamin A. The negative effects of these supplements include increased risk of hip fractures, birth defects, and decreases the positive effects of vitamin D. It is better to get vitamin A through natural food sources than in supplemental forms. Sweet potatoes, carrots, dark greens, squash, lettuce, apricots, fortified breakfast cereals, eggs, and milk are all rich in vitamin A. These foods are also high in a number of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that are essential for growth and development and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. All of these foods are a great way to get your daily dosage.
Created using Powtoon.